Share this article. File photo by Chris Stone. A surge of pets are expected to go missing on July 4th due to fireworks fright, so the San Diego Humane Society is currently offering free microchipping for dogs and cats in anticipation of the holiday. July 4th celebrations can be a terrifying time for pets due to the loud noises associated with fireworks. Pets spooked by the booms and light have been known to jump fences out of fear, resulting in a higher number of animals becoming lost and ending up in shelters. The day after a big holiday like July 4th, we often see an increase in the number of stray animals we receive, said Beau Archer, Vice President of Animal Welfare for San Diego Humane Society. We want to help pet owners protect their pets on these busy holidays. This is why we're offering free microchips. We want to be able to reunite pets with their families faster. In anticipation of the upcoming holiday, San Diego Humane Society will offer free microchipping at its vaccination clinics at the following times and locations: Escondido Campus, 3450 E. Valley Parkway, June 10th and 24 from 9:11 a.m. Oceanside Campus, 572 Airport Road, June 20th and 27 from 10 a.m. noon. San Diego Campus, 5500 Gaines Street, June 23rd and 30 from 8 to 10 a.m. In addition to microchipping, San Diego Humane Society also utilizes a facial recognition app, Finding Rover, to reunite lost dogs with their owners. To register your dog's photo for free on Finding Rover, visit www.findingrover.com. Staff lost scared pets during July 4th fireworks. SD Humane Society offering free microchipping for dogs, cats was last modified June 7, 2018 by Tony McAllister. Greater than. Subscribe to Times of San Diego's free daily email newsletter. Click here, follow us.